Hello friends, welcome to my channel Journey with Crochet, and I'm Soumya with you. So today let's learn about this slip stitch. Like, this is the smallest crochet stitch you can say, and it is very useful. Like, normally we use this while finishing our projects, normally to give a finish touch to the edges, and also joining different rounds, or in like making various parts for your crochet project. Basically we need this. So yes, this is the smallest one, but it's the important one. So let's learn today that. Okay, so I have already made some chains, foundation chains. So on top of this we will do the slip stitch. Okay, so I'll start inserting my hook to this second chain. Okay, then I'll yarn over and grab this yarn. This is two loop, right? After yarning over, there are two loops. Grab this yarn through the loops at a time. Okay, both the loops. I'll show it again. Yarn over, sorry, insert your hook to the stitch, yarn over, then grab through both the loops at the same time. This is my slip knot. Okay, so now I'll just do another time, one more time. So I'll just chain one and turn my work. So now this V shapes you can see, right? So after slip stitch also it will form like this V. Okay, yeah, so now let's continue on this side too. Okay, again insert your hook here. Now you have to insert below this V. Okay, so insert your hook below this V. Okay, yarn over, pull through this one first and pull through the second one also at the same time. Okay, again we'll do insert below this stitch, yarn over, pull through the first one, pull through the second one at the same time. Yeah, so this is the way you can do your slip stitch, and it is very much useful. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.